All right, this problem also comes from the homework. We're trying to solve this quadratic equation by using square roots. So I'm going to end up squaring something, and I want that something inside to be squared. That's the only reason that it makes sense to use a square root, is to kind of unsquare something. So I'm seeing that I've got my square here, and this entire quantity is being squared. So I'm going to want to unsquare or take the square root of this whole blob. So what I'm going to do, just to not confuse myself with this whole x plus 1 on the inside, is I'm just going to pretend that I have a box inside these parentheses. I'm just going to put to the side x plus 1 here. So I'm going to pretend that this is just some box being squared, which is equal to 49. I want to get after the box, so I'm going to take the square root to undo this square. So I can now get my box by itself. One thing I have to remember is I need the positive and negative root, since both a positive number and a negative number squared would come out to be positive. So now I have the box all by itself, and the box could either equal the positive square root of 49, or it could also equal the negative square root of 49, which is 7. So let's fill back in. Well, I know it's inside the box. It's the x plus 1. So let's actually fill back in the x plus 1 into these boxes. Now I have two different scenarios. I have the case where x plus 1 is going to equal positive 7, and I have the case where x plus 1 can equal negative 7. And we're going to solve these linear equations just like we would anything else. We're going to subtract 1 from both sides, and we get two solutions. Two solutions, so that's going to require a solution set to present both of them. And you can always, of course, check each one of these solutions by plugging them back in. Make sure you're following PEMDAS, and you are solving, or you will find that these solutions, in fact, work.